One of life's most uncomfortable moments is when someone calls you out on something. This has happened to me multiple times, and just ask my wife. And sometimes the conversations were eye-opening. However, sometimes things didn't go so well, and I felt more attacked and unfairly judged than cared for and encouraged. I bet you felt the same way before too. And no doubt you can think of times in your own experience that a rebuke from a friend or family member felt hurtful. Maybe you can also think of moments where you've confronted someone the wrong way and caused more harm than good. In fact, we can even try to avoid such situations altogether because we fear making things worse. But if we truly love and care for that person, we need to ask ourselves, what does love require here? In Galatians 6:1, the Apostle Paul offers wise counsel for those sometimes awkward situations. He wrote this: "Brothers and sisters, if someone is caught in a sin, you who live by the Spirit should restore that person gently. But watch yourselves, or you also may be tempted. Carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ." Notice that although the wrongdoing may be on the part of the other person, the responsibility for the encounter lies with us. How is this to be done? Well, Paul says by the Spirit, gently, with a sense of our own frailty, with a desire to help our brother or sister just like Jesus would. That is certainly a high standard that should test our own hearts even as we challenge those we care about. Done carefully, calling out a fellow Christian is an act of love that can lead to better relationships. Seeking the other person's welfare means helping him or her to make better choices and more fully experience the abundant life God offers. Is there someone in your life who would benefit from a loving, caring word of challenge? Although it may be extremely uncomfortable, I get it. Loving someone sometimes involves doing the difficult thing, gently, in the Spirit, and with a sense of our own frailty.